Okay, today we're going to replace the screen on a Hewlett-Packard 15-A as in Apple, F as in Frank, 013, C as in Charlie, L as in Lima laptop. First thing you want to do is take out the battery. Okay, once the battery's out, you need something flat. I'm using a scraper to go ahead and take the outer plastic ring off the screen. You need to wedge it. You'll find a little crack between the two of them, and you just want to gently snap it apart. Now once you've taken that outer ring off, there are 4 screws that hold the current screen in place. And you need a small, like micro-size Phillips screwdriver to do that. Okay, once you've got all 4 screws out, you can pull the old screen out like this. There's a wire right here that you just gently kind of work it back and forth until it comes out of this connector. And it might be taped there. So go ahead and pull the tape off. And now we release the old screen from the computer. Now I've got a new screen that I bought online. You just kind of do the opposite. Lay it down here. Reconnect this connector into the new screen. Make sure that it gets fully inserted in the connector, and then use the old tape to tape it back down. Put it up here into place. Now this is actually the hardest part of the whole thing, because these little screws are difficult to hold in place until you actually get them in, and I've dropped them a few times. If you drop them down in here, take a little magnet and pull them back out. And I'm going to stop the recorder until I get all 4 screws into place. Okay, so now I've finished putting the screws back in. Now we're going to put the plastic ring back on, but before we do that you want to take off the plastic covering that might have come on your new screen, because if you don't take it off now you won't be able to take it off after you put the bezel back on. And then you just work your fingers around the edge of this plastic ring until you get everything snapped back in. And that's it. I hope this was easy enough for you, and good luck.